Hey there! Welcome back to our channel World History in Short Videos. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating history of electric guitars and how they transformed the world of music. From early experimentation to the rise of rock and roll, this video covers it all. So, if you're a guitar enthusiast or simply curious about the origins of this iconic instrument, you won't want to miss this. The story of electric guitars begins in the early 20th century when inventors started experimenting with ways to amplify the sound of acoustic guitars. In 1924, Lloyd Loar, an engineer at Gibson, developed the first electric guitar pickup, a magnetic device that could convert the vibration of guitar strings into an electrical signal. However, it wasn't until the 1930s that electric guitars really started to take shape. One of the pioneers in the field was Adolf Rickenbacker, who founded a company that produced some of the first electric guitars for public use. Rickenbacker's frying pan guitar, released in 1931, was one of the first commercially successful electric guitars. Another notable inventor was Les Paul, who developed a solid-body electric guitar in the 1940s. Paul's design, which he called the log, was a major departure from traditional hollow-body guitars and paved the way for the electric guitar as we know it today. In the early days, electric guitars were largely used in jazz and blues music. One of the first notable electric guitar players was Charlie Christian, who played with Benny Goodman's band in the late 1930s and early 1940s. Christian's innovative use of the electric guitar helped to popularize the instrument in jazz music. In the 1950s, electric guitars exploded in popularity thanks to the rise of rock and roll. Brands like Fender and Gibson began producing their own electric guitars, which became must-have instruments for musicians worldwide. Players like Chuck Berry, Bo Diddley, and Buddy Holly helped to cement the electric guitar's place in rock and roll history. The electric guitar's popularity continued to grow throughout the 1960s and 1970s as new genres of music emerged, including psychedelia, blues rock, and heavy metal. Players like Jimi Hendrix, Eric Clapton, and Jimmy Page became household names and inspired countless musicians to pick up the electric guitar. Today, the electric guitar remains one of the most iconic and beloved instruments in the world of music. It has been used to create countless memorable moments in music history and continues to inspire new generations of musicians. And that's the fascinating story of the invention of electric guitars and how they transformed music history. We hope you enjoyed learning about the pioneers who helped to bring this iconic instrument to life and the players who made it famous. If you did, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.